If I drive you here, my other
What?
attitude is thinking like you.
Di pare, Thomas Barber.
No.
Thomas. You
Thomas.
Pare.
bad words.
Where? Bye.
Thomas soy sauce.
Bye. This bad words is for the joking only.
Joke only.
I understand, but
No.
minimize that.
No, just joking only. Don't mention this.
Don't talk too much bad words.
Pare, this bad words is for the joking only.
We are talking too much.
We are on the
We
pension.
are talking too much.
Finish ah. Don't talk too much.
Thomas.
Keep silence ah. I don't heard it.
You remembrance?
Sa'yo pa to eh.
You remember?
Wala pa, si Sir yun eh.
Hey.
So yan, boy.
What's your name?
For you, the next.
Okay, Abdul-Hasan.
Abdul Rusal.
I don't say
I
you.
converted already. Last 2 months.
Last 2 months.
Yeah, you don't know. Remember?
Abdul-Hasan?
You are my
Oh,
friend.
okay.
The last.
Abdul-Hasan?
I converted already Muslim.
Please, you keep silence ah.
You're in the library.
Silence.
Okay.
Kati ng utak ko. Bobo na nga ako, bobo pa yung nakikinig ko. Kamarin nga.
You are in library. Please understand ah.
Keep silent.
Boy, hindi na nasa yan. Tumabi na ako. Nagtabi na yung dalawa.
No. Have some conversation with your all partner.
Just call the 911.
You just call to say.
I told you before, but only maybe seconds away. I told you, keep silence. Don't talk too much.
You're in the library.
You are in library.
You are naging library ka tuloy.
You are in library. Don't talk too much, huh?
Sure, ada. Para take to.
Where's the fucking trader?
Trigger. Buisit. Nandito anak mo, no? Yari tayo kay Noemi, no? Ang sakit ng tiyan ko sa inyo.
Thomas.
Sa House of Jutes.
What's your feeling?
This the brand is good.
This is so good.
Give him the fucking trigger.
It's made in wood.
When you burn, what do you feel?
I burn like this fire. I burn like a fire.
Burn like a fire.
Want to join us?
You want?
Paring Orville. Orville. What's up, Orville?
When I burn
like a fire.
Tigas na yan?
Orville, stay in Orville.
Yeah.
Tigas na nga dyan. Puta, kalalagay ko lang
What's
yan.
the name?
Gawa ka, boy.
Hindi, kalalagay
I
ko
forgot
lang.
the name of this lady.
Arlene pa nga.
Can you repeat the name?
Can you repeat the question?
Don't say.
I didn't say bad words.
When you burn,
But
what do you feel?
Wrong name.
you say if
Wrong name.
you say the name and the surname, Rochelle Rivera.
It's very
Harmful.
Because no filter.
No,
The cigarette is good.
cigarette. Not cigarette.
Burn like
Budwak.
hell.
Budwak.
You say feeling like a local. Feeling like a local, maybe you
Ay, sorry.
DC or
Naligo ka na ba?
Di pa nga eh.
maybe you busy or like a monk.
Ang plano mo.
Bilis?
Maganda.
Ano ginawa mo?